Hello guys, and today's arrangement is quite different from participle. Last night I discussed with you what participle is and how to combine two or more than two simple sentences into one simple sentence by using participle. And I want to mention that in the case of participle, the subjects must be the same person. I have already mentioned. But today, I have given you four sets of sentences that I will combine into one simple sentence by using absolute phrase. Now, the first question arises, what an absolute phrase is, or what is an absolute phrase? The simple answer is that it is a phrase or a group of words that can be used independently as the part of a sentence. Okay? That can be used independently as the part of a sentence. Clear? And you know that in a simple sentence, there is only one finite verb. Let us begin. For example, so my topic is joining of sentences by using absolute phrase. Kids was the sensuous lover of nature. A little flower had a significance to him. And my dear boys and girls, you see that the subjects are quite different. In the first sentence, the subject is kids, and in the second sentence, the subject is a little flower. So, the subjects are quite different and we can use absolute phrase. Absolute means independent and it has the capacity or the capability to be used independently in a simple sentence. Clear? So, what should be the answer? Now, please write down, kids being the sensuous lover of nature. Please listen to me very attentively. Kids being the sensuous lover of nature, you see that am is are and their past tense was and were are the forms of be verb. So you have the liberty to use being. Kids being the sensuous lover of nature, comma, a little flower had a significance to him. So very simple. Kids being the sensuous lover of nature is an absolute phrase and the only finite verb that will remain is had. So now I am repeating the sentence. Kids being the sensuous lover of nature, a little flower had a significance to him. So it is very easy. You see that kids is a subject and little flower is a subject and the two subjects are quite different and you may use absolute phrase of the first sentence. Now come to the second sentence. Wordsworth philosophized nature. That means Wordsworth observed a philosophy in nature, philosophized nature. The setting sun suggested the sad music of humanity. The setting sun suggested the sad music of humanity. So there is a cause and effect relation and the subjects are quite different. In the first sentence, Wordsworth is subject And in the second sentence, the setting sun is a subject. So, you can use Wordsworth as there is no verb here. As there is no verb here, you will have to use having. Wordsworth having philosophized nature. Please write down. I am telling you in a very slow motion. Wordsworth having philosophized nature, comma, the setting sun suggested the sad music of humanity. The setting sun suggested the sad music of humanity. And there is only finite verb, that is suggested. Okay? Wordsworth having philosophized nature, the setting sun suggested the sad music of humanity. Now come to the third sentence, the third set of sentences. The school was closed. The children were playing cricket in the field. You see that there are two subjects, the school and in the second sentence the children. There is a cause and effect relation between the two subjects, but the subjects are quite different. And here you will find verb. Am is are, past tense was and were, and you will have to use being. The school being closed or the school having been closed, whatever may you like. The school being closed or the school having been closed, the children were playing cricket in the field. There is a cause and effect relation. As there was school closed, the children were playing cricket in the field. But you cannot use as because it is a simple sentence, and as is the adverbial reason or adverb clause of reason. The school being closed or having been closed, the children were playing cricket in the field. Clear? Now come to the fourth pair of sentences. The poor student worked hard to succeed or to get success in life. The villagers always loved him. So, here there are two subjects you see, student, villagers. Clear? But there is a cause and effect relation. The cause is the poor student worked hard to succeed, and the effect is the villagers always loved him. So, we shall use absolute phrase in the first sentence in the cause. The poor student having worked hard to succeed, the villagers always loved him. The poor student having worked hard to succeed, the villagers always loved him. Clear? So all these are the examples of simple sentences. And what is the formula? The formula is where there is verb, the subject plus being or having been plus adjective or adverbial, then the main sentence. Clear? Or where there is no verb, the subject plus having plus past participle of the verb plus the sentence. So I am repeating that absolute means independent, free from any kind of bondage, and phrase is a group of words. So the group of words that can be used in a sentence independently is called an absolute phrase, and the cause portion will take absolute phrase, and the subjects must be quite different, and these are the methods of construction. So let us end the lecture tonight, and I cannot but remind you to subscribe my channel, to like, share and comment, so that I may be encouraged or enthused to come again with solving or for the solution of many problems. And if you feel any problem, you may go to inbox or description box and may ask you or throw me any kind of questions. I will try my level best to solve. Thanking all of you. Good night.